start or I don't know. I've asked the Deputy Commissioner to call a meeting, be it demolition, eviction, or even when you go all out against the drugs addicts, because he mostly, when the members of society or whoever, when they go and get those addicts, it's different. I asked the Deputy Commissioner to again call a meeting, the joint meeting, because you knew it well that place falls under the defense cantonment area, and the appropriate authority also falls under the defense state officer. Okay, then what happened was that day, it seems the members of the HYC, they went even without consulting. Well, we understand the sentiments of our young people, no doubt about it. They have so